Convert the following. For question A, we have 12 miles to kilometers. We take solution. Question A, 12 miles. For us to perform this conversion, we are going to make use of the fact that 1 mile is approximately 1,609.344 meters. We can write this down as 1,609.344 meters is equal to, expressing this in kilometers, that means you have to divide this value by 1,000. This will give 1,609.344. Then we divide this by 1,000, and the unit will be kilometers. So this will be equal to, dividing this number by 1,000, we have to take this decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the left. It gives us 1.609,344 kilometers. It simply means 1 mile, we know this is equal to 1 mile. It simply means 1 mile will be equal to 1.609,344 kilometers. For us to convert 12 miles, we are going to multiply through this equation by 12. 12 times 1 mile will be equal to 12 times 1.609,344 kilometers. This will give us 12 miles to be equal to, we take 12 times 1.609,344. This gives us 19.312128 kilometers. Therefore, 12 miles in kilometers will give us 19.312128 kilometers. We underline the result. We move now to question B. For question B, we are to convert 25 yards to meters. We are going to make use of the fact that 1 yard is approximately 91.44 centimeters. We know 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. If we take down 91.44 centimeters, this will be equal to, expressing 91.44 centimeters in meters. That means you have to divide this numerical value by 100. This will give us 91.44 divided by 100, and the unit will be meters. This will simply be equal to, we have to take this decimal point 1, 2 places to the left, since we are dividing by 100. So this will give us 0.9144 meters. 91.44 centimeters is equal to 1 yard. That means 1 yard is simply equal to 0.9144 meters. We have to convert 25 yards in meters. That means we have to multiply both sides of this equation by the number 25. 25 times 1 yard will be equal to 25 times 0.9144 meters. 25 times 1 yard, this will give us 25 yards to be equal to, we take 25 times 0.9144 meters, and this will be 22.86 meters. Therefore, 25 yards in meters is simply equal to 22.86 meters. We underline the answer. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.